Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned tuna curry. First, let's get organized. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, some curry powder, and a can of coconut milk. Make sure to have 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger ready. Drain the tuna, but keep a little bit of that liquid aside. It adds great flavor later. This simple preparation sets you up for a delicious meal. Now, let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once it's warm, add your chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes translucent and soft, which usually takes around 3 minutes. Then, toss in the minced garlic and ginger. Cook these for just about 1 minute until you can smell their wonderful aroma filling your kitchen. Next, it's time to build those rich curry flavors. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder and stir it well, letting it cook for about 30 seconds to toast the spices. Now, pour in the entire can of coconut milk along with that small amount of reserved tuna liquid. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then carefully fold in your drained tuna. Let it cook for a few minutes to meld the flavors. Finally, taste your delicious tuna curry and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. You can also add a squeeze of fresh lime juice or some chopped cilantro for a bright finish. Serve this flavorful curry hot with rice or naan bread for a complete meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade tuna curry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.